back, artists. It's Yaz, your artsy BFF. Today I'm not only sharing abstract art tips I wish I knew sooner, but I'll also walk you through the process of creating an abstract painting from start to finish. Whether you're a beginner or just looking for new techniques, this video is for you. One mistake I made early on was overthinking my color choices. Instead of trying to match everything perfectly, choose 3 to 5 colors that speak to you. Contrast can make your piece more dynamic. Abstract art isn't just about brushes. Try palette knives, sponges, or even your hands to add texture and movement. Don't stress about the first layer. Lay down big shapes, sweeping strokes, or even random marks. Abstract art evolves as you go. I wish I knew that composition matters even in abstract art. Try the rule of thirds or balance dark and light areas to create visual interest. The rule of thirds is a guideline that helps create a balanced composition by dividing your canvas into a grid of 9 equal parts. Imagine 2 vertical and 2 horizontal lines dividing your canvas. Placing key elements along these lines or at their intersections makes the piece feel more natural and visually appealing. One trick that has really helped me a lot is flipping my canvas upside down while I'm working. It gives you a fresh perspective on your composition and helps you focus on the overall balance rather than getting too caught up in the details of your marks. Try it, you might be surprised at what you notice. And remember, there are so many different types of abstract art you can create. Sometimes it's as simple as throwing paint on a canvas and smearing it around, letting the colors mix freely. Other times it's more structured, like the piece I'm working on in this video, where you can start by painting or drawing shapes and then add details on top using a paint pen or another tool. The key is not to box yourself into one style. Experiment with different approaches and see what resonates with you. Layers create depth and complexity. Let each layer dry before adding new strokes, marks, or textures. A trick I learned late is that contrast, bold versus soft, thick versus thin, makes abstract pieces feel more intentional. One of the best things you can do is step back and assess. Squint your eyes. What stands out? Is there balance? I used to overwork my paintings. If you're unsure whether it's finished, take a break and come back with fresh eyes. And here's the final piece. Let me know in the comments which tip helped you the most. And if you try this, tag me. I'd love to see your work. For more art tutorials, click this playlist here, and if you haven't yet, please subscribe and like this video to support this channel. Thank you so much for watching, and happy arting!